What's up, everybody? It's Max is the Trader. We're back here. We're back again with another video. There's been a lot of craziness in the markets recently. I haven't been posting a lot because there's a lot of things I gotta manage. My crypto portfolios are looking crazy. I invested in some tokens, some tokens that are diversified in different cryptos. My stock portfolio, everything is just looking mad. Everything is looking mad. But at the end of the day, those are long term things, and I always got my forex here for my everyday. The advantage with forex, above everything else, is that it's very flexible. When I say that, I mean that you can just hop into the markets if the markets is in a bad time, which we're praying for the world. We hope everything gets better. Things are just getting wild out there. But yeah, whether the economy is going down, whether the economy is going up, as long as you know how to play your cards right, then you shouldn't really have any problems. So yeah, we're just gonna go through a few markets. I got myself S&P, Nasdaq and S&P 500 and everything. First, let's check the currency heat map. By the way, this trading site is called a1trading.com. It's run by a person called, well, it's run by a group of people, but well, the person I know it from and the person who you would say is the founder of A1 Trading is Nick, Trader Nick. You can find him on YouTube as Trader Nick. I'll also link their website in my description. So yeah, let's just see what currencies are. So far what I know is that we've been on risk off sentiment for a while, and that's why we've seen Bitcoin and everything going down. Uh Aussie strong, cat strong, New Zealand strong, yen weak. Okay, so we are on kind of GBP. Okay, so from my understanding this week we're on a risk on kind of week. This is when people are buying more risky assets, and that's where we come here to Nasdaq. What we can notice is that we had this kind of range here before, broke the range, we came shooting all the way down, came here, we found support. It didn't quite touch, but yeah, we kind of in a downward channel right now, and that's scary. I'd really like to see this market actually. Let me get my. I'd like to see this market actually give us something like this and something like this and something like that. That's when I know that we looking normal again. We getting things back on track. But yeah, okay. So yeah, that's basically my idea with that. And to back that, I actually have a trade right now on the S&P 500. Same similar concept. You know, so the market, I obviously saw it came down. It gave me bullish structure here. I took a buy right at 36 3687, 3687.4, and since then it's just rallied. Currently we're up about 188 pips. So that's looking good. That's one of the trades. Since I can't really go in depth and all, course, these videos are, whoever's watching it at this point, really, thank you very much. But anyway, these videos are being clipped short, and I usually use these to journal, but I have to do it in such a rush that doesn't really make sense anymore. Okay, so let's just rush through the trades I have open currently. I took a trade on US oil. I took a trade around here. Came down as in a bit of profit. It came up, hit my stop loss. We took a L there. Okay. USD CHF, also the same kind of story. I took an initial buy here first. That buy didn't work out. Then I took another buy here. I think that buy didn't work either. So I would take this buy now, and probably that's the buy that's gonna work and everything. But I don't know. I don't know. Let this candle close and I'll see. I'll go back to the retail sentiment and see how everything is looking. Just make sure everything is right, and I might take a small position again. And if this one fails, then I guess we move on. Okay, my next position, I've got a Euro US dollar position open. It's barely kind of in profits. I'll be trying to be popping these up. If when it goes straight to trading view, it's not gonna have all the editing, but for YouTube, I'm going to do all the editing so it can show prices and everything. So yeah, Euro USD, to my knowledge, I took two positions right here. So currently I'm in profits. I've moved it actually to break even based on how I trade. It's in break even now. Before I can move it to this green line, it must go somewhere like here. So I measure it with pips, obviously. So yeah, I'm waiting for it to get somewhere there. And then obviously in a longer term, we are looking at bearish structure with Euro US dollar, and there's been a bearish downward channel, but it's the same concept too. Who knows? My trade might just go absolutely well. We break here, we get that kind of bounce. I'm kind of a retest trader. There are times I occasionally do trade breakouts, but that's usually when I can see a market is either aggressively being bought or aggressively being sold. And I mean, that you just know at the moment whether it's time to take a breakout or not. But for the most part, I like looking for this. I like looking for reversals. Firstly, I love reversals. That's where I make most of my profits. And then I also like a kind of, where can I give something like this right here. Put this as resistance. Okay, let's whip out that pen. Boom. Okay, so you can see this concept here. I like it comes down. Okay, let's start here. Previously, it was support, came up, found resistance at this area here, and then boom, we shot down, and then we gave it a retest at this area, and that's where I could have taken my sell, or taken my sell, whatever, taken my sell. I could have taken myself there, and I could have took myself there. Yeah, and it could have been a position similar to something like this, and that's ideally what I'm mostly looking for. But I do also trade reversals, like here you can see it found support, trading the support. So hopefully that all goes well. But let's just, do you have any other trades open that I might want to share? Oh, my CAD yen trade, it was such a beautiful trade. um so this trade also, I was so bummed because there are so many chances I missed. I remember around this time I was waiting for it to actually come and retest structure here, and it finally came, and I don't know what I was doing that day that I missed that trade, and it just shot all the way, and I was like, this sucks. But yeah, no, it came back down again. It found some type of support here. It came down. This is from a lower time frame when I was still taking the trade. There was some consolidation, and then it came down. And then when it gave me a bit of a morning star kind of pattern, I bought right here. And then yeah, since then it's come up and shot up. So yeah, I think those are all my current positions. And yeah. That's a video. That's a video. That's a video. It was good staying with you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with all your friends, family, whoever wants to get into the industry. If you want to get in contact with me, my Instagram handle is going to be at the bottom. And thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.